that shakes the sky, a roar that time can't silence. From frozen north to desert dry, we rise, not as many but as one defiance. Tonight, the world stands tall. Tonight, the world plays ball. From the snow of Canada's quiet grace to the stars above the US race, down to Mexico's heart and flame, they open their arms to the beautiful game. Three lands, one torch to hold, carving history in fields of gold. Cities shine and banners fly, dreams written across the sky. Where we play for hope, we play for pride, for the colors we wear, for the tears we cried. Across the oceans, across the land, the ball rolls on through every hand. From the jungle's cry to the urban beat, the world comes home in every heartbeat. FIFA 2026, we hear the call. This is the moment when we all stand tall.
Jungles where the drums are born, where lions rise with every dawn. Africa hums a rhythm deep, a passion the world was born to keep. Children chase dreams on dusty ground with no stadium lights, just soul and sound. They bring a fire that never fades, a spirit carved in football's blades. It's not just goals or lines we draw, it's every cheer, each drop jaw. A soldier's son, a refugee's laugh. The game unites what fate cut in half. From Tokyo's rush to Cairo's night, the pitch becomes the world's birthright. We pass, we fall, we rise again. One flag, one dream, one world of men. And we play for peace, we play for all, for the silent voices, for every call, for every street where dreams began, for every child, for every fan. Let the jungle roar and the north wind sing. Let every nation proudly bring its heart, its soul, its sacred flame to the world's most beautiful game. One whistle ends it, but not the dream. We were strangers, now one team. Even when the lights go down, we wear the game like a crown. For this is more than foot and ball. This is the moment the world stood tall. Talked